Hello everyone, welcome back once again to a fierce kitchen where friends and family cook. Today I'm coming your way with this simple blueberry recipe you are going to love. For this recipe we need just 3 ingredients: our nicely washed blueberries, our nicely washed lemons, and sugar. Let's begin. In a clean pot, turn on your heat, add in your blueberries, add in your sugar and then water, and bring this to a boil. Whilst you wait for the blueberries to boil, I'm going to go ahead and prep my lemons, just like so. You can never go wrong with blueberries. Blueberries are one of the healthiest fruits for you. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants. They are full of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C and K, as well as manganese, which helps to boost your immune system and fortifies other body functions. Blueberries help to manage your cholesterol, they help to manage your blood sugar, and they reduce blood pressure. So there is no downside to eating blueberries every day because they are so healthy. At this point, I'm going to turn off the heat and allow the blueberries to cool down. When it cools down, I'm going to add it into my smoothie cup and then blend it into a smooth, fine texture. Just like so. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and pass it through a strainer as well as a cheesecloth. I am doing this to shorten the straining process. So this is what we are left with after straining our blueberry juice. It is now time to pass the lemon juice through the strainer. I'm going to give this a good stir and transfer it into a container and allow it to chill so we can enjoy. Blueberry juice is now chilled. And mine, oh mine, the juice tastes so good. I enjoyed it and the kids enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for your time with us. Time is precious, so if you are able to sit through and watch this video till the end, I say God richly bless you and may your week be lovely and fruitful. Till I come your way again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
Healthiest kitchen, Dad.